Hey, beautiful beings, and welcome to April 2024's Young Living Holistic Wellness Box Drop for this month. Unboxing. So excited. Got all the freebies on the Essential Wars loyalty program this month. Let's check out what we got. We got some Life 9 probiotics. Charcoal bar soap, that's a freebie. Oh. Thieves laundry soap, yes. And Thieves household cleaner, yes. Another freebie and a freebie. So much goodness. Blue Relief, that is another free one for this month. And one that I ordered is Progessence Phyto Plus. This is a beautiful, gorgeous, not only a natural perfume, however, helps harmonize our hormones for us ladies. And, I got this for myself. A beautiful Prezi Mother's Day gift. Aroma Glow, and this is a special one. You can use it for 12 hours plugged in, or you can use it without the cord, out and about, picnics and things like that, for 4 hours. And that comes with the gorgeous, joyous Joy. Joy is one of my all-time favorites for a natural, beautiful, gorgeous, uplifting perfume. And what else do we have here? I got some eucalyptus radiata. Like, what family, especially here in Australia, doesn't have eucalyptus in their cupboards? And gathering essential oil. Oof, I love the beautiful tones combo, the earth goodness of gathering. Also ordered this month Abundance. Absolutely adore the aroma of abundance, attracting what is in your frequency, and Cypress for circulation. We've also got Purification, gorgeous, cleansing, purifying, and Pine. I do believe that these might be free. These ones free. Okay. And we've got, I'm so excited. Perfect. Beautiful 12-pack of the Ninja Zing. This is pure plant energy in a can. And lastly, gorgeous sacred supplements infused with our beautiful essential oils. This is the Ninja Red pack. Natural multivitamin, high in antioxidants, and it helps nourish every system of our body pretty much, and nourishing our gut bacteria and help flourishing of all of our microbiomes. So if you want to learn more about how you can have your own holistic wellness pack delivered straight to your door from our global farms, let us know. It's such a beautiful, gorgeous, loving lifestyle, and I would adore to be your guide. All right, lots of love, joy, and peace coming your way. Thank you for watching.